Hello guys, it's Simon. Right, this is my rebuilt 450 GT with its ZYX Taro fly-barless controller. Now all I've done different to previous flights is rebuilt it and tried to rebuild her better. So stiffer dampers, genuine RJX, and better aligned bearings in the blade grips. I've had a test flight just before this to warm the thumbs up because it's been a couple of weeks since I've flown, and the dreaded pitch up bug is still there. Let's just try a loop just to... It nearly went into it then on exit. I don't know whether you saw that or not. Just let me do a little circuit just to get going, and then we'll have a go at fast forward flight. Let's see if we can tempt it into it here. There we go, all by itself. Struth, that was a particularly bad example of it. That nose up was completely the gyro's doing. Okay, so I'm going to land at that, keep the video short and sweet. My goodness, that was one of the most vicious ones I've ever had. So, thanks for watching guys, and catch you online later. Bye for now.